Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Quick VFX tutorial. Today I will teach you how to create a simple templates from scene to the templates. Many designers can create the scenes but they are unable to create the templates. So I'll solve this problem and I'll create a simple template, one liner, two window and some drop down menus as well. So let's start with the first line, one line I mean. I'll create a simple scene of one liner. I'll switch it to the classic because in this tutorial the main intention to explain how to create the template from the scene. So I'll not focus on the design. If you want, then please tell me in the comments so I can create more tutorial about the design. I'll simply make it the color gradient color for the breaking news. Put the font. I'll pause the video here so I can add some font in my scene. This is a simple scene. We'll create into the main folder. Main folder name we'll call it object. We'll do the simple animation. And now we'll do the out animation. It's not mandatory to name like this, but I'm just naming it from. Yes, so this is a simple animation because as I told you, my main intention to teach you how to create the template from the scene. So this is our simple scene, then it goes out. To make this editable text and give the access to the producer so they can change this text, we need to add a control plugin over this. In the control plugin, text control plugin. In this part, we have to make sure that there should be all the graphics should be under one folder and the folder name should be object. Now I'll name it like guest name. We'll copy that name, go to the control object, paste here, same name and save this scene. Okay, we'll open the Vizrt now, template Vizrt. Make sure to put this on here, connect our local engine, click on this, tutorial scene, yes, next, finish. Simply, it's if you save this template, it's already created the scene. Let's click on the preview. I'll just test it. For testing, we need to play this run. For example, I will type my name. Yes, it's working. Then we press continue. It's working fine. So this is how we can create the simple one line name band. We'll save it in our concept. I'll create a new concept, tutorial, save, one line, save as new. Now I'll teach you how to create this in the template builder. We can simply open this template and add it in the template builder. I'll go in the tutorial, I'll open this. Simply what we have to do, just switch off this legacy. So now your template is HTML based and press this save button. Go back to our artist. We'll create the scene, new scene. Let me save this. Close scene. We'll create a new scene. two window. We'll open that scene, create simply two boxes, switch it to classic, adjust the position and everything, adjust it like close up. For now, for this one we need to put the image control plugin, and same, copy this name, paste it there, and just move all this control plugin, that there is no control plugin on the main. Once we add this control plugin, image plugin, it automatically added the object control plugin. Just copy this name, paste it there, save. Now we'll open the template wizard. Again we click next. As we know that for live input we don't need anything to edit in the template. It's default, it's actually a video input and we need to set it from the mixer. So I'll save this scene in the tutorial concept, two window. Let me save this in new tutorial, save as new. So we have this, yes. Simply open this. Look, it's showing all the image option that I have. Simply go there, switch off the legacy. Now it becomes the HTML template. Look, if I select the camel image, it will show the camel image over there. So that's it. This is how you can simply create the template from the scene. Now I'll tell you if you want to give them option to select one line or two line between the scene. So lots of people think that for doing this you need to know how to do a scripting, but after this HTML template you don't need to do any scripting. I'll create a new scene, two line. We'll adjust this text, guess details, simply copy this text, paste, call it details, save, and we create a new folder and we call it 1-2 line, whatever you want to call, and we put the OMO plugin. So what it will do, it will switch between one line and two line, and then we add the OMO control plugin. OMO control plugin. Now I'll save this scene, 1-2 line. Now we open this scene in our template wizard. One two line, save as new. Now I'll open our template builder. Simply first click the legacy so it becomes the HTML template. We'll click over there to create a new tab. Okay, so we have this, for example, I'll type it here, my name initial, and I'll type here designer, and for this one line two line we click here, this OMO plugin, and we'll go there. It's already selected manually. We'll select as a drop down menu. Now we have this as a drop down menu. So we add this here, 2 rows, and first we call it one line, and value for this 1, 0 better because it's short from 0. Then we added 2 line and the value is 1. For example, if someone select 1 line, it become 1 line. If someone select 2 line, it gives you the 2 line, because it's switch it. It's like we need to put this down, guest name down, and designer up simply, and guest name here. So this is how you can switch between 1 line and 2 line. No need to learn any scripting. It's simply you can use the Homo plugin to switch it over from 1 line to 2 line. Save this scene, so your template is ready. As I told you that I have a problem in my template builder, that's why it's giving error. Otherwise in your office machine it will not give any error. So this is how you can create the simply template from the scene. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe and share so I can create more tutorial like this. Thank you.